Microsoft just threw a massive curveball at every developer trying to decide where to host their automation, and the message is loud and clear. They have basically picked a winner in the internal battle for the future of coding. It is a classic tale of the shiny new favorite versus the reliable old workhorse. If you are sitting in a boardroom of a massive corporation, you probably still swear by the established veteran. It has the boards, the test plans, and that mature release management that keeps the regulators happy. It even gives you a massive break on large file storage, which is a lifesaver for people working on games or heavy media. But the atmosphere is shifting rapidly. The other platform, the one built right into your repositories, is where the lightning is striking. It is fast. It is modular. You can get a pipeline running before your coffee gets cold. They even dropped the prices for hosted runners by nearly 40% this year to lure people in. That is not just a small discount. That is a total aggressive play for the market. However, you have to read the fine print. Starting this spring, even your own private servers will start eating into your free minute quota. One team I was reading about got absolutely hammered by this change. Their bill came in 3 times higher than they expected because they did not set limits on their concurrent tasks. That is the kind of mistake that gets people's attention for all the wrong reasons. But the real reason the older platform feels like it is on life support is the lack of artificial intelligence. Microsoft has gone on the record saying their flagship AI coding assistant will not be coming to the older suite natively. No agents. No repository chat, no automated workspace features. If you want the power of agentic AI, you have to be on the newer platform. They are building these weird hybrid bridges now, where the old system can trigger agents on the new one. That is the ultimate tell. It shows you exactly where the next 10 years of engineering are going to happen. If you are a nimble team or building something cloud native, you should probably be using the newer tools by default. It is where the innovation lives. It is where the marketplace is booming with thousands of ready-to-use actions. You only stick with the legacy system if your compliance rules or your Active Directory setup leaves you no other choice. It is a fascinating pivot to watch. We are seeing a giant corporation slowly migrate its soul from one product to another. You need to do the math on your compute cost and your licensing before you make the leap. The gap between these two is getting wider every day. Innovation has a new home, and it is not where the big enterprises have been living for the last decade. You have to decide if you want the comfort of the familiar or the speed of the future. The era of just setting it and forgetting it is over. You need to be agile, but you also need to be careful with your credits. Every single minute counts now. If you are not watching your concurrency, you are just throwing money into a black hole. It is not just about moving code anymore. It is about how smart that move is.